Hey ladies, it's Simply Erica coming to you guys with another wig review. So if you want to know about this cute 360 lace frontal wig, then you stay tuned and check it out. So, y'all already know this is one of my first, frontals that I have gotten to wear. So this is different for me, bear with me. I'm still learning about this whole frontal game, so we gon' get right on into the details for it today. So today the wig I will be reviewing is brought to you by MissBuy.com. They were cool enough to send out a unit to me. They reached out and asked me to review one of their units for them today, and of course I accepted it. And they are a really good company. The communication was there. The delivery took about maybe 3 days to get to me. It was all, I don't have anything bad to say about the company itself. Great customer service. So I will leave a link to this unit down below if you are interested in purchasing this unit or other wigs from their website down below in the description box. This wig is a loose body wave 150 density 360 lace frontal. Yes, that was a lot. So I'll break it down a little bit by bit. So the texture, as I mentioned before, is a loose body wave. This was its natural state. It's nothing really too special about it. I wish it was a little bit more curlier. I think I enjoy wigs with a little bit more texture because it's already kind of set for you, and it's kind of like how I feel about my synthetic wigs. The style's already made. With human head wigs, you kind of have to work at it. So, that's the thing about frontals versus synthetics, That's just one of the things I personally like, just having a unit that's already pre-styled. And she is about 20 to 22 inches. She comes down to right above my butt area. So I'm 5'4", to just give you guys an idea of how long this unit is. It could be shorter or longer on you depending on your height. Now the color of this unit is also in a natural black. They don't call it 1B or anything. They call it natural black. But to me, I feel like I saw hints of light brown. That's just me in certain lights. But yeah, it is a natural, basically 1B color, y'all. 1B. But it does come in a variety of colors. I believe it comes in a 2 and a 4, a 1, I believe a blonde as well. Definitely different colors to choose from. So be sure to check that out. It is a 360 lace frontal. That means, for those of you who are not familiar, that the lace actually wraps around the entire perimeter of your head. Now, this is mainly for those who like to put their wigs up in a bun or in a ponytail, to give it a more realistic look versus, lace front wigs, because you're not able to do that. So that means there actually is lace, behind. I don't know if you guys can see it. There is lace behind the wig. I personally won't ever try to attempt to put my hair up in a bun because I just think it's unnecessary, me personally. And I guess when it's done right, it looks good. If it's not, it's gonna look a little funny. So I'm gonna be one of the people who stay away from it because if I do it, it might not look right. So for now, I'm just gonna do the simple stuff. Now again, with the construction, the lace actually stretches mostly about 13 by 4. So you're getting lace from here to here and also on the back, like I said. So you are able to part it multiple places, y'all, if y'all can see that. I personally didn't do, too much parting, on my own. Because I'm probably just going to leave it one simple way and that's it. But you kind of get an idea of how many places that you're able to part it, y'all. And the hairline is so realistic. Now, one thing about the hairline that it does promote is that it is a natural pre-plucked hairline. Now, me personally, I didn't really notice that off the bat, so I still went in and, plucked a little bit of hairs and then, made my baby hairs. I probably might have to trim a little bit more, but yeah, it did come with baby hairs that were already there, so I trimmed those and just customized them to my liking. But again, y'all, wigs are really up to you and how you customize them, you know, to make them fit, you know, your personality and your face shape. So that is entirely up to you. And if you want to color this wig, if you're not happy with the color, by all means, go ahead. Now, as far as tingling, now with your human hair wigs, the benefit about it is versus synthetic, you know, with tangling, you're not going to get too much of that because you're able to comb through it and it'll come right out, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, shedding, that's a different story. Now this wig, I saw some shedding when I was washing it, but as you know, time went on when I was brushing it and whatnot, I didn't get too much of that. So that's kind of like the only time I experienced shedding. Now there are some human hair wigs that do tend to have really bad shedding. It's just one of those things of how many times you're brushing it. The more you're brushing it, the more you're pulling on strands, and you know, it's gonna, you know, leave the hair a little bit thin. So, you know, kind of avoid over brushing it. You know, it really just depends on, you know, what you're doing to it. And this is 150% density, so it is pretty full. I'm actually really satisfied with that because I was really worried that they were going to send me something that was pretty thin. No, honey, this is so thick. I love it. And that's part of the reason why I don't really want to put it up in a bun, is because it's so thick and so much hair. I mean, look at that, y'all. Look how much I'm holding back there. It's pretty thick. So if you're looking for a really thick loose body wave frontal, this is your go-to, honey. And you can wear her anywhere. Now, of course, frontals take time to apply, as you all know that. So this isn't one of those put it on and goes, you know, unless you're putting a hat over it. Now, you kind of have to take your time with these frontals, you know, to customize them and, you know, get them the way, you know, you want them to look. But yeah, y'all, what y'all think? Like I said, I probably will straighten it because I just think the style is just so bland, like the texture, you know. And it is, if you're wondering the type of hair it is raw Brazilian virgin hair. So, yeah, y'all, what y'all think? And I can't show you what it looks like down. I just personally wanted to put it up. But this is how it looks so far. I love it. It's so thick. I really love the density of it. So I'm gonna need to learn how to style, you know, frontals, because like I'm just so used to synthetic wigs, you know, because they're already pre-styled. And human hair wigs, you actually gotta put work into it, and that's a lot. But other than that, I really like it. It is a cute everyday wig, but like I said, it's gonna take some work. You gotta put work into it to make it look right. I think I might have to go in and, you know, customize my baby hairs a little bit more. But other than that, y'all, she's really pretty. I love it. But let me know what you guys think. And like I said, I will leave a link for you ladies to buy this unit down below if you are interested in a 360 frontal. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill. Bye.